get your money through the hole, but I didn't create any lock for it just because it's a prototype. This machine is fairly simple. It's used with littlebits. It uses 4 different types of modules. The first one is power, the second one is a split wire, the third one is a sound sensor, and the fourth one is a servo. When you put a quarter, it hits the sound sensor, which triggers the servo to go back and forth to dispense the prize. I have to position the prize in a certain way or sometimes it will get stuck. So I put the quarter in, it triggers, and the prize falls out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please click that subscribe button if you haven't. See you guys in my next video. Bye!